Spring Sites is the new way to create an effective website that helps you get customers and represent your unique business on the web. When you first log into Spring Sites, you see the dashboard. The dashboard consists of three main sections, including the Success Guide, Accomplishments, and Statistics. On the left side, you'll see the Success Guide, which are custom recommendations to help you design your site, increase traffic, and ultimately get you new customers. The guide is divided into three parts. The first part is about creating an effective website. This includes tasks like designing the visual look and feel of your site and creating important pages for your website, such as your About page and your Contact Us page. The second part of the Success Guide provides recommendations to help you get found on search engines, such as getting listed on popular directories like Yahoo Local and Google Maps. The last part deals with getting traffic from other sources, such as Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Another section of the dashboard is called Accomplishments, which is updated daily with interesting events related to your website. These include important milestones like completing a task, getting your 100th visitor, or generating your 10th lead through the contact form on your website. Fun facts may also appear, such as receiving your first visitor from Greece. The last section of the dashboard is the Statistics section, which provides information about the number of visitors and leads generated on your website. We'll track your statistics and make recommendations to help you reach your goals. You can enter the website editor directly by clicking on the website editor link on the dashboard. This is the hub of your published website. You can edit existing pages, create new pages, or update the global look and feel of your site. Let's spend a second talking about that last section. With Spring Sites, the design of your site and the content of your site is separate. This allows you to make design changes, like swapping out the background image, changing the font style or size, or the location of your logo, without losing all of your content that you worked really hard to create. Also, you only need to design your page once, and those changes are automatically applied to all pages of your website. You've already built your homepage and are off to a great start. Success Guide now recommends that you create an About page for your website. Let's do that right now. Clicking the link on the dashboard opens up the task description. If you're unsure what an About page is, why it's useful, or what it looks like, this page will answer all of your questions. This looks good, so we'll continue. You'll notice that Spring Sites has created most of the page for you. We've used the global look and feel that you designed earlier and applied it to this page, so that all your pages have the same design. We've also used the information you told us about your business and chose a layout that we think will work best for you. You can always change it later. Spring Sites guides you through the process of making your site effective. The first step to creating a good About page is to choose search phrases or keywords to optimize on. Spring Sites will use these keywords to make recommendations when writing your content. To help your customers find you on Google or Bing, it's important that the content on your site matches the search phrases they'll enter in. If you're unsure what search phrases to pick, Spring Sites can help you do that as well. Now it's time to add text to your site. We know how difficult writing text can be, and that's why Spring Sites pays special attention to this task. We start you off with tips and examples from your industry to get the creative juices flowing. If you get writer's block, we have several tools to help move you along. One option is to use our content creation wizard. It starts with a series of pointed questions, such as the year your business was created, your background before starting the business, awards you have won, and affiliations you belong to. Spring Sites takes your answers and the keywords you want to optimize on and generates a draft for you. You can tweak the draft, or if you don't like the direction we took, generate a completely new one. Another option is to get a little help from your friends and family. Simply enter the email addresses of a few friends and family members. We'll invite them to a secure form where we'll give them the same tips and examples that we gave you, but ask them to write the draft. We'll let you know when they've completed the form, so then you can take it from there. The last option is to hire a professional through our network of qualified writers. This cost and time-effective option gives you the peace of mind that your content will be of the highest quality. Once you've chosen a writer, they'll ask you a series of simple questions and quickly turn around a proposed draft. You remain in control through a couple of quick revision rounds until you finally selected the content that you want on your site. Once your content is complete and you've replaced the sample image on this page, you can now publish to the world. Spring Sites also gives you recommendations on actions you should take off your site to get visitors to your site. Adding your business to directories such as Yahoo Local and Google Maps helps you rank higher in those search engines on local searches. Let's look at how to add your business to Google Maps. This test describes why it's important to list your business on Google Maps and shows you an example of how your site might look in the search engine results. We offer you 2 ways to get yourself listed. If you want to do it yourself, we give you an approximation of how long the process will take, instructions on how to complete it, and a link to the beginning of the sign-up process. If you're crunched for time, we also offer you a paid add-on that will automate submission to Google Maps and 80 other directories. The choice is yours. When you're done, come back to the dashboard and mark the task as complete. If you use the paid add-on, we'll automatically mark it and all other related tasks for you.